Main steps for setting thermo cover up on the stand. 1. Open the peelable packaging. 2. Unfold the SMS overwrap. 3. Unfold the cover on the back table towards the left and right. 4. Place your hands inside the cover and open it by pulling each side apart. 5. Place the aluminium foil into the bowl. The foil should be in contact with the bowl. 6. Pull down the remaining folds to cover the sides of the bowl and the stand. 7. Press the cover into the bowl to ensure efficient heat conduction with the foil. Your equipment is now set up and ready to hold your sterile fluids throughout the surgery. Please contact your sales representative or visit our website at www.medline.eu.